Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into the essentials of writing a great news article. Whether you're preparing for a journalism competition or just honing your writing skills, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's use an example of a student winning a national math competition. I'll break it down part by part and share tips along the way. So, first up, the headline. It needs to be concise, specific, and engaging. For example, the headline could be Local Student Wins National Math Competition. So, this headline tells us who's involved, a local student, what happened, winning a national competition, and why it matters. Remember, use action verbs like wins to make your headline strong. Next is the lead paragraph. This is where you answer the big questions: who, what, where, when, why, and how. For example, a grade 11 student from Central High School brought home the gold at the National Mathematics Championship, securing victory after solving a challenging tie breaking question. Notice how we grab attention by mentioning the victory and hint at the suspense of a tie breaking question. So at this point, we don't reveal the student's name, it's not widely known, so we save it for the body to maintain curiosity. Now, the body is where you unpack the details. So here's an example. Sophia Reyes, 16, emerged as the champion during the finals held in Toronto on December 15. Competing against 50 of the country's top young mathematicians, she solved a complex calculus problem in under 3 minutes, earning a perfect score in the tiebreaker round. So here we reveal Sophia's name, her age, and give context about the competition. Then we use a quote. I couldn't believe it at first, Reyes said. I just focused on the problem and gave it my best. This quote adds a human touch, letting readers feel her emotions. Always make sure quotes are accurate and relevant. Now for the supporting details. So after the main facts, include expert commentary and additional context. So for instance, Sophia's coach, Mr. James Morales, credited her success to months of rigorous preparation. Sophia is not just talented, she's incredibly disciplined. She spent countless hours practicing and refining her skills, he said. Expert quotes add credibility. Then you can share broader impacts like how Sophia plans to use her $5,000 prize for college or how her school received recognition. Now, for the structure tips, remember to use the inverted pyramid structure. Start with the most important facts, follow with details like context and quotes, save minor details for the end. Also, keep your language clear and concise. Use active voice. For example, Sophia Reyes solved a calculus problem instead of a calculus problem was solved by Sophia Reyes. And that's how you write a compelling news article. Focus on the facts, use strong quotes, and structure your story effectively. Remember, don't editorialize. Let the facts speak for themselves. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be writing like a pro. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your news writing. Please click subscribe if you want more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.